Welcome students. This tutorial I am making specially for the students who don't have computer or laptop at home. In my earlier tutorial I have told you that how to make a simple web page. In this web page we will further know some properties of different tags, and I have explained you that what is a tag. Tag is a command. So once again I'll show you. This is the app what we have to use. So I hope till now everyone has installed this app. So we will continue, and now I'll be opening this app. The name of the app is Tarib Edit. So this app is being opened, menu, and I have to open text editor. I have to open empty editor. You have not to use basic HTML format, you have to use empty editor. So it will give you the same feel what the feel we used to get in computer. So now we have to make the coding, and for the coding it's easier here. So angle brackets, we have to start with. So I am starting with angle brackets, HTML. So by default it gives me the closing also, so it becomes easier for me. Then the second command, as you all know, here actually the tab option is not there, so I can use the spacebar key. Then head, you know very well the head command. Then here I'll write the, you know very well what command I have to give, title. And again I'm telling you that here what the coding we are writing, it's not necessary to write in capital case only. I'm just writing so that it becomes easier for you to see. So I'm closing the tag, and here in title I'll be writing my program for text color. Okay. So till now I am working in head section only. In previous program I have told you what is head section, what is body section. So from starting from head to head, my head section is completed. Now I am starting with body section. Body. Now body is what? Body is a command. Inside a command we have different attributes and properties of a particular command. So of body tag or command we have different properties. One is text property. One is text property. What the text is doing, actually it is changing the color of the text. So here suppose I am writing red, okay, and then one command, this I want to teach you, body text is equal to red, then bg color. Now you should be very much clear that spelling of the color is not COLOUR, it should be COLOR, American English. So this code only we have to use. Then is equal to bg color is equal to, so I am giving cyan, that means sky color, it is the technical name of the sky color, and then here I'll be closing body. So this body I'll take it down, and here I can write suppose I am learning to use color. Here whenever I am writing after body means whatever I want, whether the spelling is wrong, whether the spelling is right, that the same will come on your screen. So here no problem, but whenever I am giving the tag, the command, there I have to use or I have to follow the syntaxes. So here I have written I am learning to use colored font or text I should write. Okay, and then I'll close this. In the same command, one more command I can tell you, br. br. There is no need to close br. Why we have not to close br? Because br is the empty tag. Basically the tags what we are using. Now here the tags what we are using, like HTML. HTML it starts, HTML we have to close. So HTML is a container tag. HTML is a container tag. Head tag. Head tag we have to start head tag, we have to close head tag. So head tag is also what? It is also a container tag. Title is also a container tag. Body tag is also a container tag. So now this br, why I am using br? See, simply whenever I am writing something, some text after the body tag, that comes in the single line. Now suppose I want to go to the next line, then for going to the next line I have to use br tag, that means break. I hope it is clear. One br means one enter key, pressing one time enter key. So after br I am writing and also learning to use background color. Okay, so here I have used br. If br again I am using, that means 2 times enter key I am using. I hope it is clear. So this is the basic program. I'll just show you. This is the overall program what I have made for you. Okay, is it clear to you? So now I have to actually save the program. Let's see. The option is coming here, 3 dots. Save. Okay, I'll save it. File name I'll give coloring text.html. Okay, now I'll try to run this program. So see, I am learning to use color text, that is coming on the top. Then in between I have used br 2 times. Due to that I have given br 2 times, so that text is coming after that. Plenty of space is there, means 2 times as a enter key has been pressed. So that is been the work done by br tag, and br is empty tag. So I hope it is clear to you. And because I had made specially this program for the students who don't have laptop or computer, and I hope now they know how to use this app. Okay, so I'm closing my tutorial here only, and next tutorial I'll be continuing computer only.